Have you ever felt like every click and search you do online is being recorded and analyzed? If you answered yes to this question, or if you are just looking for a more privacy-conscious search engine, then DuckDuckGo is for you. DuckDuckGo is a search engine just like Google, but its core concept and biggest selling point is privacy protection. I use it for a lot of searches that are private and I don't want to be logged or tracked, such as personal health, finance, or my niche hobbies. Using DuckDuckGo is very easy. You can visit its website by typing DuckDuckGo.com directly into your browser's address bar. Its interface is very intuitive, just like any search engine you are familiar with. Type in your query, just like iPhone, hit enter or click the search button. You will then be presented with a list of search results. You will find the layout is very familiar and usually contains web links, images, videos, and more. Even if they are ads, they are based on your search term, not your personal browsing history. And you can also change the regions where you are searching. And safe search, you can change it to moderate. And you can also custom the search time. Beyond the basic search, DuckDuckGo has some really cool and useful features that can improve your search. Let's take a look at the top one. One of my personal favorite features called bands allows you to quickly search for content on other sites directly in DuckDuckGo's search box. Type !W and iPad in the search box. It will jump directly to the Wikipedia results page. And you can also type !YT and it will jump directly to the YouTube results page. C. The syntax is very simple. It's a ! plus a website abbreviation followed by your search term. For example, !A for searching Amazon. And DuckDuckGo supports thousands of bands, covering a wide range of popular sites from shopping and social media. You can find a complete list on the DuckDuckGo website. This can really save a lot of time. I hope this video helped you understand and use DuckDuckGo better. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel. I'm Steve and I hope to see you in the next video.